Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to keep reminder on Google Notes. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Google Keep. Now you can see here are multiple notes over here. Now to set reminder, over here you can find here is Remind Me. Click on this and over here you can select your desired time and date. Now I'll click on this pick date and time and over here you can select the desired date and time. I'll select this 17th of July and time to night. Okay, it's 8 p.m. And over here you can see here is does not repeat. This is the priority. You can select daily, weekly or monthly, yearly or custom. Now I'll go with this do not repeat. And after that, just click on this save. And that's it. You can see we have successfully set reminder for this note. And over here you can see here is clock sign of reminder. So in this way we can set reminder on Google Keep. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.